Hello everyone, introduce us from Group 6, which consists of me, Tegar, then Akram, Rafli, and Biaggi. This time, we will explain about the greenhouse effect, which causes global warming.
What is greenhouse effect? Identified by scientists as far back as 1896, the greenhouse effect is a natural warming of the Earth that results when gas in atmosphere trap heat from the sun that will otherwise escape into space. Sunlight made Earth habitable, while 30% of the solar energy that heats our world is reflected back to space. Approximately 70% pass through the atmosphere to the Earth's surface, where it absorbed by the land, oceans, and atmosphere, and heat the planet. This heat is the radiated back up in the front of invisible infrared light, while some of this infrared light continues on into space. The vast majority, I did some 90%, get absorbed by atmospheric gas, known as greenhouse gas, and radiated back up toward the Earth, causing further warming. Earth greenhouse gas trap heat in the atmosphere and warm the planet. The main gas responsible for the greenhouse effect included carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and fluorinated gas. Greenhouse gas have different chemical properties and are removed from the atmosphere over time by different processes. Carbon dioxide, from the example, is absorbed by so-called carbon sinks, such as plants, soil, and the ocean. Fluorinated gas are destroyed only by sunlight in the far upper atmosphere.
How much any one greenhouse gas influence global warming depends on three factors. The first is how much of it exists in the atmosphere. Concentration are measured in parts per million ppm, parts per billion, or parts per trillion. 1 ppm or given gas means, for example, that there is one molecule of that gas in every 1 million molecule of air. The second is lifetime, how long it remains in the atmosphere. The third is how effective it is at trapping heat. This is a referred to as is global warming potential, or GWP, and is a measure of the total energy that a gas absorbs over a given period of time relative to the emission of 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Radioactive forcing, or RF, is another way to measure greenhouse gases, also known as climatic forcing. RF quantifies the difference between how much of the sun's energy gets absorbed by the Earth and how much is released into space as a result of any one climate driver. A climate driver with a positive RF value indicates that it has a warming effect on the planet. A negative value represents cooling.
To overcome the greenhouse effect on global warming, we can start by planting lots of trees so that carbon dioxide can be absorbed. Once absorbed, the oxygen level on Earth will automatically insert inequality. In addition, adopting a healthy and environment-friendly lifestyle can be solution. For example, walking so that is the environment friendly when going to nearby place and using a motorbike or electrical car. We can do it also the limit of plastic bags or switching to use bag or shopping bags can be used multiple times.
Global warming occurs because of the greenhouse effect, or it can be said that the atmosphere accumulates or traps a very large amount of solar heat. Therefore, greenhouse can cause excessive heat of the heat to the earth. So that about the greenhouse effect, which causes global warming. Hopeful, what was explained earlier, the knowledge is useful. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.